Hey everybody, 6 o'clock. Welcome back to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea, where we make quick, healthier meals in 30 minutes or less. Tonight we are making a turkey chili. This is like a perfect meal tonight. It actually couldn't have worked out any better, right? It's a little gloomy, it's a little overcast here in New Jersey. It's chillier, right? So it's Friday, and sometimes you don't feel like cooking on Fridays, right? It's a really, really simple recipe that's just perfect for today. Make sure you subscribe and click the little bell there so you get all the notifications. Let me tell you what I have here, okay? So I have a pound of turkey. I have a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. I got a 15-ounce can of corn. I have 2 cans of 15.5-ounce beans. I'm using beef broth, so I have 4 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, I think I got, and I got a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper.
Are we making tacos?
No, I'm making a turkey chili.
Oh, but
you guys want to say hi to everybody? Say hi.
Sounds like tacos. I already did.
All right, say hi again. And look, the guinea pig's there too.
I showered today.
Woohoo! Yeah, all right. And I also have a full large onion. I only had zucchini, so I'm doing a yellow zucchini with that. That's it. Let's get to cooking. Follow me. I got a little bit of olive oil in a pan here, just sort of heating that up a little bit. Oh yeah, before I get into this now, so question of the day. All right, I wrote this down, so I got to take a look at this, okay? So, how many pounds of turkey did Americans eat per capita last year? No Google here now. I don't want any Google. So I'm going to cook my onions, my zucchini, and my garlic. I'm going to cook this up for, 5 minutes or so. You season this with a little bit of salt and pepper. Let's keep it on the healthier side. Instead of using beef, let's use turkey. So I'm the Skinny Guinea. I cook healthy, quick meals in 30 minutes or less. And then my wife is the guinea pig, right? AKA, she's Michelle, AKA the guinea pig. And at the end of every episode, I give her a taste of the dish that I cooked, and she either gives me 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb up, 1 thumb down, or 2 thumbs down. Excellent, okay, or, you know what I mean? So that's how this show works. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna put the ground beef in, all right? Okay, so we're just gonna cook this up until it gets nice and brown, which is not gonna take long at all, a couple minutes. All right, so my beef is browned, not my beef, my turkey. So I got my chili powder. Okay, got my cumin, throw that in. Got my oregano, nicey nice, and I got the killer cayenne. Just a little bit. And I'm just gonna cook this for 20-30 seconds. Oh, Daddy, will you leave me alone? Hey, will you two knock it off back there, huh? Okay, so I'm gonna add my crushed it. Add the beef broth. I'm going to add my corn and the black beans. So now what we're going to do is we're going to bring this to a boil. And once it boils, then we're going to simmer. We're going to simmer. Okay, guinea pig, you ready? Because we're ready for you here. We're going to make the guinea pig a dish. What do you think? 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb up, 1 thumb down, or 2 thumbs down? What do you think?
Add salt.
Better taste it. Good. And crazy cayenne. We're gonna have the sweats. We'll have the turkey meat sweats. You know? Look at the chili. Oh yeah, baby. Skinny Guinea is happy. Okay, let's do this. Come on, baby, you ready for this or what?
All right,
come on.
I don't get this on my white shirt.
Whose fault is that? Go for 2 thumbs up right here. Come on.
What about cheddar cheese?
Oh, I can throw some cheese on there. You guys want to see my cheese bag?
I mean, who has cheese like this in the house? Look how much cheese we have.
from healthy to not healthy because the guinea pig needs
I need a little something, something.
needs dairy. How's she doing? She's doing good? Okay.
Got a little kick to it. 2 thumbs up.
All right! Look at that, baby! Woo! That's how we roll, man. That's how we roll. So, that's it, guys. That is the finished product. A healthy turkey chili until the guinea pig had me throw in about a pound of cheddar cheese, which made it unhealthy turkey chili. But at least it's turkey. Cook it with the skinny guinea. Finish it fast. Even in the kitchen. Take care.
Guys.
Bye-bye.